Luna is box. Luna box? Ah! Luna is the box. No. It's missing something. Something that tells us where Luna is. Ah! I know. I'm going to use prepositions. This is Luna. This is a box. Where is Luna? Luna is in the box. Where is Luna? Luna is on the box. Where is Luna? Luna is behind the box. Where is Luna? Luna is next to the box. Where is Luna? Luna is under the box. 1, 2. 2 boxes. Where is Luna? Luna is between 2 boxes. Now let's play a game. You tell me where Luna is. Are you ready? Let's go! Where is Luna? That's right! Luna is in the box. Where is Luna? Amazing! Luna is on the box. Where is Luna? Excellent! Luna is behind the box. Where is Luna? Wow! Good job! Luna is next to the box. Where is Luna? Fantastic! Luna is under the box. Where is Luna? Very good! Luna is between 2 boxes. Wow, you are amazing! Now you know how to use the prepositions. I have one more question for you. Where can you learn English in a fun and easy way? That's right! In Novakid. Let's learn English together. Hope to see you soon!